welcome back again to another vlog. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, I just came back. I went to Leclerc to pick up some few stuff. Today your girl is at home, so whenever I'm at home I just like to pick up stuff that are not in the house, like, you know what I mean. So guys, I just came back. Things are really expensive in the shop now. Okay, let me do this intro properly before I start talking. So guys, in case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise.
And you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
Welcome back. Please don't forget to give me a big like at the end of this video, and also please subscribe if you're new here. Thank you. So guys, yeah, today is Monday. I just went to pick up a few things from Leclerc and my ticket is 105 euros, guys. When the boy gave me this, when he told me that, madam, you're going to pay 105 euros, I was like, 105 euros, why? What did I buy? But I remember that I picked up some few clothes from there because I saw some beautiful clothes for kids. I just couldn't get past it. Like, I couldn't take my eyes off them. So guys, I got those onesie. Look at this is really beautiful for Harmony. I kind of took 12 years, but she has to wear it first when she come back. But if it's too big, I might take it back, because the 10 years they have, it look kind of small. Maybe it's my eyes, I don't know. It's very beautiful, very summery. Just take a look at that. This is really cute. So I got it for 11.95 instead of 15 euros. Can you imagine that? Yeah, I'm boiling rice. My water is already hot, so I didn't even know that the water was boiling. So the rice is inside because I'm craving rice. I got those dress. This is a beautiful dress. It's so cute. I like this detail at the back. It's really cute. Yeah, so beautiful, and it's so summery. Just take a look at those flowers. Take a look at this flower. So I took this one in 10 years. Yeah, 10 years. Yeah, I'm still buying 10 years for Harmony. I decided to take this one in 12 years because the 10 years just looks small. I don't know if it was my eyes or something, but when she wear it when she come back from school, but if it's too big I might just take it back and get 10 years. So this is the two I got for okay, this dress, I did not tell you guys the price. It's 11.95. Imagine, for this beauty. The initial price was 14.95. you see. Got this for my little man. Yeah, Nathan don't like being called little. You will say I'm a big boy. So this is the price, 5.95 instead of 7.95. Yeah, it's so cute. So I also got in this cute little shorts. Yeah, 7.95 from Leclerc. And also this one, yeah, this is really cute. So I got this 5.95. yeah, it's really cute. I wanted to take 7 years, but the lady told me they don't have clothes of 7 years. It's either 6 years or 8 years. But 8 years for Nathan now is kind of big. I don't really know, I think so. But I took this one in 6 years, so even though I know it's not going to wear it for long, it look kind of small. But I decided to take this one 8 years because, yeah, just in case. So that's it for the clothes, guys. Yeah, this one is 5.95 in case I didn't mention it, and the short is 6 years. Take a look at that. So guys, I bought some food stuff.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold.
So guys, I'm craving coconut fried rice with prawn, but I don't think I can make this today. I think maybe on Wednesday, because Wednesday, yeah, I got some ice cream. This is one of my favorite ice cream, guys. I love this ice cream.
I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all.
Guys, I also got series. That's basically all I got. Yeah, imagine 105 euros, but I think it's because of the clothes though. Because of the clothes, you see, things are really expensive these days. When the guy told me the price, I was like, what did I buy? I remember I took clothes. The way all this plantain ripe very fast. This plantain was black when I bought it. Was it not on Monday? It's a week though. Look how ripe it is now. I'm just going to fry dodo to eat my rice with it, because if not it's going to get spoiled. Because we still have other, Obi got some other ripe plantain. I think I should put those ones in the fridge. They are all ripe now. I think these ones are even more ripe than this one I was talking about. So let me just put them in the fridge.
You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now. 'Cause baby,
Fam, lunch is ready. Take a look at that beauty. Guys, this is what I'm craving. Like, take a look at that. So I have my glass of Coca-Cola here. Yeah, yummy, yummy. So I'm just going to eat right away.
A few moments later.
So far, I'm going to be making vegetable stew. Yeah, meanwhile, I'm going to be grilling my meat in the oven. My oven is a mess, guys.
A few moments later.
the truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better?
So guys, this is the clothes I've ironed so far. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. Yeah, I've ironed this so far. So I still have all this to iron, guys. So I don't know if I can finish it, but I think it's not much. It's just some bunch of jeans on there. Yeah. So, and I'm going to be making stew.
I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh, and whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid.
So guys, our stew is ready. Yeah, I put it up to go and pick the kids from school, so I just on it like this is how I like my stew. I don't like when there is too much oil. Meanwhile, I'm boiling I want to boil rice here. I've washed it. So we have plantain there. This is what we are having for dinner. Look at Nathan's outfit. It's really cute. Ali, show me your outfit, Papa. Shenanigans. So cute. And they stand well now so that they can see you. Oh my God. My boy is ready for the summer. Summer boy. Look at our models. So guys, this 12 years is too big for our money. I will go back and take the 10 years because I thought that 10 years on will be too small, but the 12 years is too big. Nathan, let me see your shirt. So cute. I'm going to go and wear the other dress. So guys, look at the dress. It's really cute. It's beautiful. Turn it back, Mama. I like this detail at the back
Mama,
here. It's really cute.
Mama, me.
Yeah, of course. I feel me already, Papa. Your shirt is super cute and your
Mommy,
knicker
look.
too. Wow. My kids are ready for the summer.
Yeah.
So guys, my sitting room is a mess. Yeah, I've ironed all these clothes, but I still have few ones remaining, which I don't think I can iron it anymore. I'm just going to be keeping it maybe on Wednesday, because Wednesday I don't go to work. Yeah, I might iron it on Wednesday. So let me leave it here. So I'm going to be drying I did the laundry. I'm just going to be drying the clothes right away.